आइए जानते हैं योनो एसबीआई ऐप से PAPL यानी प्री अप्रूव्ड पर्सनल लोन कैसे लिया जा सकता है। योनो एसबीआई के होम पेज पर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में जो 3 बार्स हैं वहाँ क्लिक करेंगे। यहाँ सेकंड ऑप्शन है लोन्स, वहाँ क्लिक करेंगे। लोन्स में पर्सनल लोन लिखा हुआ आ रहा है, वहाँ क्लिक कर देंगे। एक्सप्रेस क्रेडिट लोन नो मोर पर क्लिक करना है। यहाँ एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है, customer should be permanent employee with minimum 1 year of service with any of the following employers: central and state government, quasi-government, central PSU, profit-making state PSU, educational institutions of national repute, selected corporate who have business relationship with the bank as well as do not have ECR subject to certain terms and conditions. Customers should comply with bank's KYC norms. Customers should have minimum net monthly income of rupees 5,000. Features: it can be availed for any legitimate personal purpose, available up to 15 lakh with repayment up to 5 years, low interest rates with additional concession of 0.5% in case of check-off or loan amount greater than 10 lakhs. No margin and no security needed. No third-party guarantee required. Second loan after 1 year subject to certain conditions. Low processing charges at 1% of loan amount. You can download check-off form from here. Documentation required is customer should keep the following documents handy: PAN card, Aadhaar card or passport or driving license or voter ID or NREGA card, and 3 months salary slips. Check off from employer, it is optional. Then interest rates. Term loan, it is minimum 11.65%, maximum 14.65%. Overdraft, minimum 12.15%, maximum 15.15%. Customers would be eligible for additional concession of 0.5% in case of check-off. EMI calculator, it will be based on your loan amount in your Yono SBI app. So after watching all this, what you have to do is click on apply now. If you are eligible, it will say OK, applied. That was all about Express Credit.